How does a blockchain actually work? RPC, validators, staking and transaction ordering. Chapter 1. RPC, the line that connects you to the blockchain. First, reading data. On-chain information, like your balance, travels from validators through the RPC to you. When you open your wallet and see a balance, all of it comes through the RPC. Next, writing. The transactions you send travel from the RPC to a validator. There are two roads: the highway, SWQoS, about 80% of capacity, and the local road, prone to jams. An RPC with highway access skips the congestion and arrives first. And what decides speed is distance. The closer your runtime is to the line, the faster you are. ERPC places your runtime right next to the line, just one hop away. Chapter 2. Validators. How time works on a blockchain. Epochs and slots. Time is nested. An epoch, about a day, contains slots of roughly 1 second each. Every slot has an assigned leader, rotating every 4 slots. The order is fixed when the epoch begins. Around 730 validators share that seat. A validator's 2 jobs. A validator has only 2 jobs. When it's the leader, it produces blocks across its 4 assigned slots in a row and earns rewards. The rest of the time, it votes to confirm blocks made by other validators. How often it leads and how much its vote weighs are both set by stake. Chapter 3. Staking, the cycle of power and rewards. A validator's stake is gathered from everyday users. Users delegate their SOL and entrust their voting power, while ownership stays in their own hands. In return, they receive rewards every epoch. The more stake, the more blocks produced, and the heavier the vote. Users' delegation makes validators stronger, and that income flows back as rewards. This is the blockchain's ecosystem. Chapter 4. Ordering. How the queue inside a slot is decided. A single slot holds many transactions. Senders can add a tip, and a rapid auction reorders processing by how much is paid. The highest tip goes first. No tip means going last, and sometimes not making it in at all. The fees collected become the reward of the leader, who produces the block. And the more stake, the more this income grows. The traders. Those who use this mechanism to the fullest are high-speed traders. First, they see large unconfirmed orders as fast as possible, through shreds and gRPC. Then they overtake on the highway, and get filled first. Speed turns directly into profit. That's why they invest in the fastest lines and servers. Stablecoin payments. This speed isn't only for traders. Stablecoin payments at the register work the same way. On a slow RPC, a payment can hang on processing and fail on timeout. On a fast RPC, a USDC or EURC payment clears in an instant. The everyday payment experience itself changes with the quality of the RPC. To sum up, users get staking rewards and fast access. Validators get block rewards. The RPC earns subscription revenue. 3 parties, each acting in their own interest, supporting one another, and the blockchain keeps running. LSOL sits right where the 3 connect. Everything blockchain on one network. ERPC starts at €0 with a free API key. You can begin today. Visit dashboard.erpc.global.